Okay, so Anil, you're here to record your experience for this engineering design at IIT Madras MS course, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you appeared for that yesterday for this interview, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can go ahead and you can introduce very briefly to us, and then you can share your experience.
Yes, sir. I am Anil Honkeri, sir. My GATE score is 419, sir. My CGPA is 8.8, sir. And I got a call for MS in engineering design.
Okay,
Yesterday.
so sorry.
Yes, sir. That's
Okay, so your score is 419, right?
yes, sir.
CGPA
8.8, sir.
8.8, and what is the category?
SC, sir.
Okay, SE, and okay, it was for design, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, Anil, now you can explain what were the kind of like how the interview started and how was the introduction and how you introduce yourself and something that way, and what were the question they framed to you?
Yes, sir. The interview lasts for 15 minutes, sir. Starting with the introduction of mine, sir, and there will be four faculties, sir. One is coordinator, one is for mathematics, and one is for design related topic, and other faculty for other specialized persons, sir. And for me, they started with the mathematics, sir. And they asked me about which are your favorite topics in mathematics and which you have grip. And I told linear algebra and
At the end of the introduction, what did you mention? Did you mention about your favorite subjects or something, or you are about this
no,
area
sir,
of interest?
I just introduced myself and I just keyword, sir, and they started with the first mathematics, sir.
Okay.
And they asked which on which you are having grip in mathematics. He asked, sir, and I told that linear algebra and calculus, sir. And he started with what are the eigenvalues and eigenvectors? Can you explain the physical significance of those two? He asked, sir. And next question is he went for calculus and how if you have given one equation, how will you find the stationary points? And then he asked about what are your favorite subject in core.
What are your favorite subjects? 4 favorite subjects, right?
No, sir. In core, what are your favorite subjects? I told strength of material and machine design, sir. Okay. And he asked one application questions like how we will apply, how we will use eigenvalue and eigenvectors in SOM. And he given one bar, square section bar, sir. And he asked me to apply the tensile force and write the stress tensor for this problem. And he asked me to find the eigenvalues for the same, sir. And then he asked about what is toughness. He asked, sir.
So the same faculty?
Yes, sir. Same faculty.
It is mathematics who was asking mathematics, right?
No, sir. No, sir. No, mathematics is shifted. The core faculties. He asked what is toughness. He asked, sir, and resilience. He asked, sir, and he asked.
Anil, unmute yourself. Okay, you need to repeat this line. Toughness, resilience, and then?
He asked about strain hardening, sir. And what happens in molecular level in strain hardening, he asked, sir. And at last question is energy is depends on the volume or not, he asked us.
Okay.
That's also it is around about 15 minutes. That's it, sir. Okay,
so roughly they may have asked you roughly 10 questions, right? Like toughness, resilience, then they spoke about your what was that? Something
mathematics, eigenvalue, eigenvectors, sir.
Strain hardening, and then also last question that you are mentioning about was?
Is energy depends on volume.
So that is also related to your strain hardening and this strain energy related concepts, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So mostly they ask the question from that particular segment. Okay. So you are able to answer most of those questions, right?
Yes, sir. That also in that practical questions for that eigenvalue, eigenvector, I explained it clearly, sir.
Mhm.
And I have doubt with the last question. I told it is independent of volume, sir.
Mhm.
Whether it is right or not, I don't know.
Mhm. Okay. So anyway, I think the overall it was okay. So let's hope for the best. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, whether it
And
is correct, sir? Energy is depends on volume or not?
so amount of energy that will you will how will you find strain energy? It was related to strain energy.
No, sir. He generally asked, sir, whether the energy of the body depends on the volume or not. He asked.
So even if general or with respect to strain energy, also if volume is more,
Yes, sir.
will there be more energy stored in it?
Strain energy.
So
Yes, sir.
basically it depends upon the work done, right?
Yes, sir.
External work done. So whatever the external work done, irrespective of that, whether
Then
volume
it
is
will
small
be.
or more, that is going to remain same.
Then it will be independent, na?
Yes. So for example, yes,
Yes, sir.
when we are saying strain energy, let us say even if he is relating that way. So strain energy, we say that is equal to the external work done.
Yes, sir.
So irrespective of the volume, whether you are taking small or large,
Yes,
external
sir.
work done is constant. Let us say if you have applied any particular kind of force and deflection.
Yes, sir.
So if that is constant, then whether you are taking small or large volume, it is immaterial for us.
Yes, sir. I answered in like that way only, sir. Let's see, sir. What?
So let's hope for the best, and let's see
Yes,
how it turns out to be. Okay.
yes, sir.
So okay, Anil, thank you, and see you in the next session somewhere in the coming interviews, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.